Alright folks, let's dive deep into some mind-bending concepts today. Ever felt like something's just not right with the world? Like you're stuck in a loop, repeating the same patterns over and over? Well, you're not alone. Gnosticism and some ancient Egyptian beliefs suggest that our reality might just be a fabricated prison for our consciousness. Gnostics believed in a malevolent force called the demiurge, a lesser god who created this false reality to keep us in ignorance. They also talked about the archons, enforcers who manipulate events and perceptions to maintain control over us. Sounds a bit like a sci-fi movie, right? But it gets even more interesting. Gnostics saw reincarnation not as a path to enlightenment but as a trap, a cycle of suffering and amnesia that keeps us bound to this simulated world. Imagine resetting your consciousness and being thrown back into the game every time you think you figured it out. Now let's talk about the Nag Hammadi Library, discovered in 1945. These ancient texts offer insights into Gnostic beliefs and the path to liberation. They were almost lost to history, hinting at the importance of their message. So how do we break free? The video I watched suggested a few methods. First, lucid dreaming. Gaining awareness within your dreams can help you test the flexibility of reality and, who knows, maybe even manipulate it. Then there's meditation, a timeless tool to quiet the mind and disrupt preconditioned patterns. Detachment is another powerful method. Let go of desires, fears, and the need for external validation. This weakens the system's control over you, allowing you to reclaim your sovereignty. And lastly, reprogramming your beliefs. Consciously choosing and rewriting limiting narratives can reshape your experience of reality. Some signs that we might be in a simulation: déjà vu, quantum physics anomalies like the double-slit experiment, and near-death experiences. These phenomena could be glitches or programmed transitions within the simulation. And let's not forget the Egyptians. Their funerary practices and texts, like the Tibetan Book of the Dead, are seen as instructions for navigating the afterlife and avoiding the trap of reincarnation. These ancient teachings might just offer clues to escaping this simulated reality. Remember, these ideas are speculative theories meant to encourage critical thinking and exploration. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and who knows, maybe one day you'll find your way out of the matrix. Thanks for watching and stay curious.